Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do nuclear throne style lightning. So you can see that there's two circles overlaying my character, and it's shaking as well. So I'm going to show you how I did that. There's going to be a link that I'm going to provide for you in the description. Uh, there's a YouTuber that explains a little better than I do, but I'll explain the code as best I can. So let me show you the coding for this. You first want to make a object called olighting and drop it in the room, which is right here. And in the code, you want to do a create. Make sure your depth's minus 999, so it's in front of everything. Go to Control Tab and drag over a coded sheet, and you're going to say you're going to let me zoom in this better here. Oh, it doesn't zoom in. All right, so you're going to say surface create room width, room height, and you want to make the surface black, and it's going to make it tinted where you saw it on the in the room. So it makes it kind of tinted, and it's going to stretch the tint from top to bottom and fill the whole screen. All right, so that's that part right there. Then in your step event, you're going to drag in another coded sheet, and you're going to say this information right here. So this is going to draw your alpha circles. You have two alpha circles. One's bigger than the other, and you want to make sure that it's going to be connected to your character. That's what's right here. It says object player stop right, and this is what that is. His player is called object player stop right. So it's going to allow when you move, the light's going to move with the character. And you can change these alpha numbers, the overlay. Like if you change that 4 to like 9, we play this. It makes it kind of dark. It makes the overlay a little darker. That's what happens here. So you can mess with those numbers. I'm going to leave it at 4. And that stretches it to the height and width of the room. And then we're dealing with the circles here. So you want to use a subtract, C black, and then alpha's at 2. You could make this, like I said, you could change this number to like 9 or something, and then you could change the black to like red or something, and we can see what it looks like. See, it changes the circle. Now there's two circles there, but one's kind of you can't really notice it really because I changed the alpha to 9, so it kind of blends in with the other circle. But there's actually two circles there, and the red there is a red tint, but it's very faint. So like I said, you can mess with these numbers. Black seems to work better. And then change this back to 2. And this information right here, random range, this is making the circles shake. When I added the random range of -1 to 1, you could change these numbers to something else if you wanted to. And if you made these numbers like maybe 2 or 3, then it might shake even more, the circles. And then this is the height, how large the circle is going to be. So this is like the outside layer of the circle, and then this is like the inside layer of the circle. So this is where where it's closer to your character at, and it's at 60. You can mess with these numbers to make them larger or smaller. So that's two circles there. and then you're gonna have a surface reset target. All that, I guess the reset target basically means that you're not gonna have any memory leak in your game. You want to make sure you reset the target so that way your computer, the app doesn't crash. All right. And then you want to do add event, go to your when you're in the room, when you leave the room, you want to make sure you destroy your surface as well, because like I said, if you don't destroy it, then it's going to have a memory leak, and then your app could crash. So you want to make sure that's in there as well. And then you have a draw event for the lighting, and this draws the image of the lighting on screen. And that's pretty much it. And then, like I said, I would provide that link below in the description so you can watch watch another video on this guy that explains it a lot better than I do with the Surface. But you can download the GMX file and mess around with the numbers and colors. And I also put all the code in the description as well, just in case if anything on screen was kind of blurry on the camera. So I'll copy all this and paste it onto, or put it into like a coded sheet. You can download the coded sheet. But like I said, you'll have the GMX file to open up, and the code's all there. So I'm going to test this out on Android, and it should work. I know it works for the computer, but I'll test it out on the Android as well and make sure it works okay. All right, well, thanks for watching.